Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how we can center a website using CSS3 Flexbox. Here in the HTML document, I have just created a simple div in the body tag and a headline. That's it in the HTML document. And also I have linked the HTML document with another document called center.css, which is the style sheet that we are going to use to style this HTML document. So here we have our center.css style sheet, and in this style sheet I have just created some basic page setup for the website and basic styling for the web page or website. And using all this, we are going to center this web page or website in a minute. So now let's first see how our website looks right now, that is without centering the website. So right now our website looks weird and this is really not centered. For the users to distinguish between a centered website, I have just given a border, a background color and a foreground color to the website so that the viewers or users can distinguish between what is happening on the web page. So let's now get started. Let me first resize this a bit so you can see a better view that what is happening on the web page by putting all these two windows in the center. So first, in the basic page setup, I have given a margin padding of 0 and box sizing of border box and set a font and font weight. And in the basic styling of the web page, as I said, I have given an ID and set the display to flex and set the background color, foreground color and the border, and also the text transform to uppercase. So now let me go and center this web page right now. For that we have to just write 3 lines of code to center this web page. Actually 4, but I will show you the 4th line of code in a minute. So first let me write those 3 lines of magic code. And here, as you can see, the website is centered, but the text is still not centered, which we will center in a minute. So what is the way of centering a web page? First, you have to give a width of 100%, which is default for the website that does not know or does not identify the new Flexbox technology. And after that you have to give the max width, that is the maximum width of 80%, and here comes the magic line of code. Third one is margin 0 auto. Now what does margin 0 auto stands for? Margin 0 stands for that margin from the top and bottom will be 0 pixels, and auto means that margin on the right and left side will be adjusted according to the size of the web page. Now what is margin? Margin is basically the area outside the web page, that is the area between the website and the browser. So now let's see the web page. You can see this website is centered, but still the heading is not centered, and now I am going to center it using just a single line of code, that is and as you can see, when I wrote justify content center, the web page is automatically centered. So this is the way of centering a web page. So for the users, let me just repeat that what I have done. To center a website, you just need 4 lines of code. First one is you set the width to 100%, and then second you set the maximum width to 80% or whatever percentage you like to center the website, so that the space should remain between the web page and the browser. Actually, this is called the margin. If you set it as a margin, and next the third line of code is margin 0 auto. This sets margin top and bottom to 0 pixels and left and right to auto dependent on the width of the web page. And to center the content, you have to write justify content : center, which is a Flexbox technology. And as you can see, in the Flexbox, we use display : flex. This one single line of code turns the web page into a flexible web page. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me show you one more thing which I forgot. When you resize this window, you can see how the content also resizes itself. It doesn't go out of the browser width or the window width in which it is defined. That is the way of Flexbox, and that's why it is much useful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.